always stand on business. The numbers start hitting different, put them commas in them. Yeah, money trying have emotion too. We like the way you can't see us, but you feel the movement. Yeah, stay moving, locomotive. You can't stop the shine. Is on our mind and we praying. Money, money, trying. Have emotion too, why they emotional? There's plenty room to get paid, they bitch made focused on the train. Boy, I'm jumping out the gym, it's money train, and you know we play above the damn rim. Hey, I know they watching, fuck it, let them keep hating. Hey, from every trip, money train, too much motivation. Looking at the chessboard, I tell them look up, it's going down. 360 degrees position. My team always stand on business, always let that. Yeah, money train, we have emotion too. Yeah, stay moving like a resolution, about to start a revolution with the proclamation. Anyone who opposes the train, keeping God first, praying we never ever have to use a hearse, cause it gets worse. Now watch me put them in the dirt. Like the sun, can you feel the wave from a star? That's why I kill it with a scope from far. Says how they dick riding, still on the bench. I seen snails with better motion. I got the potion, true devotion, no cap in the rap. So many turn the bitch and end up turn the rat. This rat, they never it up the nudges facts. That's why when I make a power move on solo dolo, no silly out. My team always stand on business. The numbers start hitting different. We have emotion too. We like the way you can't see us, but you feel the movement. Yeah, stay moving. Self-built empire, no debts to be paid. Learned the hard lessons, now I'm running the board. From the grind to the shine, everything I afford. Taught my brothers how to stand tall in the storm. Now we all bask in the sun, fully reborn. King energy, ain't nobody taking my crown. Smile on my face, cause they can't break down. Motion, every step is a flex. Built the blueprint, now they study what's hold on my necklace. Royalty in my veins. Monster moving mountains while the world learn my name. King in the spotlight, we been here all along. The masses woke up, now they singing our song. I'm here. Had to go through my trials and tribulations to master the art, cause I was born home. That city was just a movie to you, but for me, it was reality. Came from poverty, ask me how I know, cause I feel some type of way. You just end up on the household. Is it me or am I too tuned in on most of the black lights and drops? Fuck that shit, for real. I want my 40 acres in the mule. I'm ready to flip some shit. Been standing on business all my life. Ain't nothing funny, money. I wanna shit, fine like we been here all along. The masters woke up, now they singing our songs. Lifting my brother heads high, let it show. Stacks, watch the vibe overflow. King, like we been here all along. The masters woke up, now they singing our songs. Lifting my brother heads high, let it show. Happiness and stacks, watch the vibe overflow. I wanna test a Cybertruck just so Money Train can run amok. I want duffels full of purple gas bags. Want a bad bitch pre-rolling that good shit. You want my focus knocked off to try that slick shit. I want you to know I got that 40. I want my table prepared in the presence of the ops. I want 100 shares of some rising stock. I want to win on big investments non-stop. I make no false moves, only power moves. Triple OG, big boss dude. I'm from the Midwest, spread roots down south. Taking care of my people, I want us for the W. Niggas switch, turn bitch, all type of flaw shit. But when we up, they wanna jump back till. Keep that same energy, money train don't need ya. I want everything, the most high promise me. I want some Louis Vuitton, I want Sonic Gucci, I want a Saint Laurent. I don't fuck with food, I want it Johnny Dang, put up on my wrist. I want the Mazda truck, I want the Forbes list. I want it, 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 I want it. With you, but I don't trust you. Yeah, we cool, but what we been through. Have we ever thanked God to put peace overlooked our card? They had another car, but we had a felony in ours. I don't know these niggas, they ain't money train official. Nothing too major, locked in like chain links, no chinks. Every link is the strongest one. And I put that on my mama. Cut this fool with my tools. Skip to my loot to the bank. Skip states, pick up 5 new hustles, 5 new safes. Put it all away for the children. Cold-hearted, but I love the kids. Now it's on to the next. I can't trust the soul down, nigga, no bitch. My heart is getting cold, trigger finger got an itch. I'm looking for a nigga, coca stacks 10 bricks, and I'ma shit on y'all. Yes, Can't trust a soul now, nigga, no bitch. Cause for my bros I put it all on the line. Yeah, I look cost from the blind side. Just sleep everything, nigga see inside. Cause we ain't playing with you. This shit could detonate at any time. Cause for my bros I put it all on the line. Yeah, I look cost from the blind side. Just sleep everything, nigga see inside. Cause we ain't playing with you. This shit could detonate. Slippery slope, play with money train, then we at the stove. We ain't playing with your hoe. Do your ass just like Ricky, lay your ass down on the ground real sticky. I'm my brother keeper, but I'm steady moving like the reaper. Bitch, we the creeper with the heat seeker. Please don't meet Jamaica, stay away from slimy ass hater. Fuck it, we just congratulate her. Fuck it, we just congratulate her. Hater, don't look for me, can't see. Gonna need an IED specialist before this verse gets repeated. All my bars I serve heated. All these freaks are still greedy, and I ain't got nothing for 'em. I was sent out in this world to roam alone. Young prince until my father moved on. King now over all my feet are planted upon. Gray in my beard, that's wisdom. Take a look into my mind's eye. Cause for my bros I put it all on the line. Yeah, I look cost from the blind side. Just sleep everything, nigga see inside. Cause we ain't playing with you. This shit could detonate at any time. Cause for my bros I put it all on the line. Yeah, I look cost from the blind side. Just sleep everything, nigga see inside. Cause we ain't playing with you. This shit could detonate it. It's not a game, street cold as the world turn. They really get mad at every cause they can't ride with the team. Please don't try to troll us, you could never hold us in. Or with a rabbit head stuck on your shoulders. We just killed the VIP of dreams. Don't get mad cause you jockin' from afar. Money train been on top. These niggas they better tune in. If they ain't got no other choice. Narrow the piper man. 45 and the 40 in the other hand. I got guns, right or wrong, I'ma blow, I'ma knock your head off. And I one-on-one just straight getting tossed. Proceed to make the green cause I ain't taking no loss. Smoking on white privilege, feeling like the president. Shooters everywhere, take it down like Scarface. Cause for my bros I put it all on the line. Yeah, I look cost from the blind side. Just sleep everything, nigga see inside. Cause we ain't playing with you. This shit could detonate at any time. Cause for my bros I put it all on the line. Yeah, I look cost from the blind side. Just sleep everything, nigga see inside. Cause we ain't playing with you. Holy shit could detonate it. Anytime. Money train, money train, money train, money train, money train, money train, money train. Only the strong survive. From the Gainesville train yard, money train about to ride. 3015, we the future worldwide. Stacking up the cash, keep the vision alive. chasing gold. 3015, the future we hold. On this money train track, I'm too smooth to collide. Every move calculated, team by my side. From the dirt, cash, fame. Every bar that I spit, like a link in the chain. Built for the hustle, for carry the flame. Pushing limits daily, rewriting the game. From there, strong survive from the Gainesville train yard. Money, 3015, we the future worldwide. Stacking up the cash, keep the vision alive. On this rail to the riches, only the strong. Red already know what hell to beat. My time ain't no for gangbang, we'll rock my baby outside of the sleep. Or real trenches, baby. Had to adapt to the jungle because they turned us into apes. They took my hood down from all the bodies dropping. Feel like somebody opened up the floodgates. Damn, but as the world turn, hope my heart don't get colder. Feel like a samurai for pulling all these